This is Balitang Ilocos Online.
Hindi natin maiiwasan magka-traffic itong weekend. Humingi ako ng paumanhin in advance, no? But we really try our best to reinforce our security to make sure that the traffic are free flowing. You know, first of all, we really hired a very good architect to conceptualize this. No? Yung pag-conceptualize namin ng mall, hindi lang yan na parang, ito yung lupa, ito yung ganito yung kalaki yung gusto namin i-open, but hindi. Pinag-aralan talaga namin yan. Ano yung mga habit at ano yung gusto ng mga mga Ilokano, no? Ano bang hinahanap nila? Nag-survey kami. Pagkatapos based on that, we also try to localize our product, no? We put a lot of local touches, a lot of Ilocano touches, no, like yung mga Inabel fabrics, ganyan, and in a lot of our communications, no, we put a taste of Ilocos talaga into whatever communications that we put. Even with our tenancy, yung mga tenants namin, no, kung makikita ninyo yan, sinabi pa namin na in advance, na maaga pa lang sinabi, can you put something with a touch of Ilocos na para, kasi alam ko naman na lalo mga Ilocano, I know very well na you guys are so proud of your city or your province, na pag kahit na may representation ng ano, of course you feel good, and it also makes us more closer to the consumers, no, to the local consumers. Yan ang tinatawag nating global but local, no. Yan yung moving forward na ginagawa namin, being local, no, giving a world-class mall with a touch of local flavors.
So meaning, sir, it's aligned with the culture and tradition of the Ilocano?
Yes. We really studied that, no. We really also did a lot of, all these small touches. If you go around, not just in the mall, but also inside the tenancy. I think Ilocanos are more wise.
Yeah.
Diba? It's a better word than kuripot, no? Wise spender. That's why, kahit naman ako am I considered Ilocano? Kasi I'm such a wise spender also. I don't spend, kung basta-basta lang, no? Siyempre, gusto natin value for money, and that is what SM represents. We're all about value. In our, if you see the products that we offer, it's all about value for money.
Sir, ilang porsyento ang workforce ni Ilocano?
I can give you the exact, but ang minimum ko dyan normally is 80% of the workforce, no, are Ilocanos, no. That we really try our best talagang medyo ispika ko dyan. Yan talaga, kasi sabi ko, pag pumasok tayo, make sure lang na nakaka-add tayo ng value sa city. Hindi tayo isang malaking conglomerate na pumasok na dapat lahat tayo progressive. Hindi lang pwede ang mall kung hindi lahat, pati ang mga constituents o mga tao dito sa Ilocos.
So sir, anong expectation natin sa Ilocos?
Ano expectation ko sa mga Ilocano? Na love us back, because we all love you. and support SM. Yun lang, no? So ang pagsasamahan naman is always give and take. It should never be one way. We should not just earn from Ilocanos, but also to give back. So talagang ganyan ang magandang pagpasok mo ng isang businessman or isang kumpanya sa isang community.
So very timely sir yung opening kasi may palaro sa Ilocos Norte.
Oo nga, may pagbansang palaro. My God, ang hirap mag-book ng mga hotels ngayon, puno-punuan, di ba? But we're very happy and we're very excited, and it's about time to give a spotlight to Ilocos, no. People have to know to see the beauty of Ilocos, because I've been here several times, but whenever I come here, I always go to dito lang sa mall. But I have the opportunity to go around also. Ang ganda ng Ilocos, ang ganda-ganda ng Ilocos. You have a very nice UNESCO heritage na Paway Church and the sand dunes. Ang daming magagandang area dito. Really worth visiting. Really worth 10 hours travel. Hindi natin maiiwasan magka-traffic itong weekend. Umingi ako ng paumanhin in advance, no? But we really try our best to reinforce our security to make sure that the traffic are free flowing. We exaggerated the number of parking slots here in our mall. We have a lot of parking lots para hindi naman makadagdag din sa traffic dito sa area na to. I love mga Ilocanos and I hope that you come and support the mall. Maraming salamat sa mga suporta na natanggap namin, whether from the local government and the barangays and the people from Ilocos.
Meron pa atang libreng panonood ng sine sa mga senior citizen dito sa
Yan ang diniscuss po namin with the mayor. Sabi napasa din naman na yung pinasa din yung law na on certain days, no, there would be free movies for the senior citizen.